Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete Facebook activity log all at once. So first, launch your Facebook account, click your profile, tap the gear icon or settings and privacy. Now what you're going to do here is you have to simply scroll down and then you have to look this your information and click activity log. So under activity log, you will see here all the activities that you have made or interact recently. So if you tap this activity log right here, here you can see Facebook information or Facebook activity. You can see here personal information, connection. So all you have to do is to tap this arrow facing down. Then you will see here the following, such as the videos that you have watched, and also your likes and comments. And all you have to do is just simply click that one and then delete. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to delete something that I have searched recently. So I can go to Facebook activity, comments, and reactions. So if I'm going to delete something here, like my comments, my likes, and reactions, so all I have to do is to do it one by one. In case that there are some comments or some activities here that you don't want to delete. But if you want to simply clear all your activity here or delete Facebook activity log all at once, then what you're going to do here is you have to go back to your Facebook, go to your settings and privacy. And then this time, what you're going to do next is you have to go to Account Center. So type your profile here, click this Your Information and Permissions, scroll down again, click Your Activity of Meta Technologies, and then tap this Clear Previous Activity. Tap Clear, and that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.